So what's good, y'all? So I'm back with another YouTube source, and before I get started, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And today I got me a big fat juicy steak, medium rare, medium. It's done. Hard to break though. Medium well. I like mine's like all the way cooked, but it's good still. And I got me some toasted bread on the side. Bread smell pretty good. Okay, I get a steak, 10 out of 10, and I get a bread. I get a bread, 8.5 out of 10. My bad, y'all. I don't mean to be smacking like that, but y'all know how it is when y'all eat steak. Be gummy. Take a long time to chew. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this steak though.